30 years ago, when the world entered a new era, our journey begins. Our mission was known: to tame the forces of nature. Our goal was set. Such an ever-changing goal can only be achieved through knowledge, experience, and confidence. This is the story of CCE, a secondary systems integrator, a small company from Slovenia, which set out with a simple goal of becoming one of the leading companies in its field. Through the years, our path took us from analog age of the early 90s to the digital wonder world we are living in now. We left our mark all over the globe, from Chile to Philippines, from Norway to Tanzania. All along the way, ensuring optimal solutions to our partners and helping them supply millions of users with electricity that was stained from Mother Nature. With the knowledge and experiences we collected on our journey, our confidence grew. And with all that we empowered our next generation of engineers who will carry our torch forward into the future.